This is Mark the Meerkat with the triple trade of the day. That's right, 3 trades on CNET, C-N-E-T. Today's lesson is on cut your losers short and let your winners run. Let's take a look here at CNET. Here it was, and it was going very, very slowly after opening. And then about at 10:11 here, market time, boom, it started to take off, and it was in this symmetrical triangle slash bull pennant. And we had not seen that yet. We were trading other stocks, and then all of a sudden, boom, it just broke out there. But we missed that. That was what we call SEM, somebody else's money. It now is starting to do what we call a bull pullback, where it's pulling back to a line of support and ready to roll up. So we set a trade, let the market come to us, and let's see what happened here on the first trade, and boom, there we go. And I am now long at $6.69, and I pull my stop up immediately. Boom, that sucker just taken off there, and it's going up, and it pulled back and snapped down. I was bringing my stop up along this 8 EMA, snapped down and got me out at 677 for 1.2% on the first trade. Alrighty, now it did a bull pullback, took off. It's starting to do another bull pullback. It just pulled back too far and stopped me out. Let's set a trade here, get ready to go long again here, and sure enough, boom, there it is. I took off long again here at 701, just above the $7 mark, and I am in long, bringing my stop up underneath this area here, and let's see what happened next. Bam! Oh, look at that. 3 minutes later, bam! So I'm out at 696 for minus 0.5% in just 3 minutes. But let's see what happened after that. Kind of licking our wounds, and then all of a sudden, look at that. It took off. That doesn't look like much, folks, but look at that. That is a 5% run right there in one candle. It's a 1 minute candle, too. That's right. So let's get rid of that. And now it's starting to, what we call it, forming a high base here. Now let's pull that down here. Let's set a trade, let it market come to us. Boom, it started to take off, and I got in at $7.30. I am long. Now, is this going to work out? I don't know. Bring my stop up on here at 720, and boom, boom, boom! Look at that sucker. It went up here to 780, started to stall, so I took out half at 778 for 6.6% on the first half. Ooh, doggies, I love that when that happens. Now again, this is called letting your winner run. So I only took out half there because it was starting to stall. And now let's bring this down here so we can see the rest of this trade. And what happened after that? Boom, boom, look at that, up over 820. That's right. I'm long here from $7.30. This is unbelievable. So I'm bringing my stop right up here, right to where my stop was before, and my previous, and I'm out. Look at that. It dropped, what was that? That is a 6% candle. On one candle, it dropped 6%. And stopped me out. Yeah, so I didn't get that 6%, but I got in 6.6% on the second half because I stopped out at the exactly same place, 778. And so this total trade from this breakout here was for 6.6% in 9 minutes. So, but these 3 trades, we put them together, and we can see that we had a 7.3% net on these 3 trades. Did I make money on all of them? No, but I cut my loser short on the middle one, and I was able to let the last one run to 6.6%. Pretty darn cool. We had another great day in the Grok day trading chat room here. We ended up with net of 14.1%. Again, we have a 5% goal each day. 10% is our stretch goal. We're at 14% for the day. Here are just some of the trades that we had here. And notice how I'm letting my winners run over 1% to 2% trades, 1% and 2% trades when I make money, and only, minus 0.5, minus 0.6 when I have an expense trade. That is the way that you make money in the long term. And then down here was trade number 9, that 1.2, trade number 11, which is minus 0.7, and then that trade number 12 was at 6.6. Those were the trades of the day that I just highlighted there. So we were 7 out of 13 for 53% success rate, which did not meet our success rate target of 60%. But however, we did end up with 14% for the day. Now that is 14% at risk. our model portfolio is to invest $10,000 per trade. That would be about $1,400 we made in 2 hours worth of work. And we've been having a great week, by the way. Here it's Thursday. Look at this. We have exceeded target every day this week, and in the last 3 days, we've exceeded our stretch goal. So already for the week, we're at 49.2%. Our goal for the entire week is 50%, so boy, we'll see what Friday brings for us, but boy, looks like we're going to be doing a really good job for the week. Right now we're at $4,900. Not bad for 4 days worth of work. And if you'd like to join us, you can go to groktrade.com, and you go right up there to Day Trading Chat Room, and you can sign up to be in the chat room. Just attend one of our webinars, and you can find out all about it. And or if you'd like to do mentoring, trade the Grok trade way, not just in day trading, but in swing trading, position trading, we are having a mentoring session this weekend, which I am leading. And again, these things work in all time frames. So go to Training Mentor right up here at the top, and everything you want to need to know is a 35-minute presentation on that. Very, very condensed about our mentoring program and what it offers for you. Not only do you have a initial 3 days worth of intense training, but from that point forward, we are your mentors to apply it all. So there's just a little bit of explanation about it. So click there to schedule your webinar so you can attend it at your own convenience. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that we want to cut our losers short and let our winners run. Trade well.